Andrew here, DrDetail.com. I am going to polish this RV. Their wheels, they're looking a little peaked. I will make sure that they're prettier. Get all this done. This is an Airstream 2001. It's got about 180,000 kilometers. It's been to the moon and back, as always. It's an Airstream land yacht. Andrew, Dr. Detail. First video. We're going to do the wheels, make the customer happy, and what can I say? It's a big boy. It's 43 feet long. Andrew, Dr. Detail, doing the wheels. Andrew here, Dr. Detail. I make things bling again. We do all the reconditioning. This video too, we just finished these wheels. Finished the wheels on this big RV. This is video 2, the final result. Look at that, beautiful, beautiful. This RV is, it's an 01 Airstream, big diesel pusher. We finished the wheels, look at that. We even dressed the wheels, look at that. Andrew, Dr. Detail, Inc.com. I'm one of very few last Alcoa service dealers and service reps in North America. We even put these new Alcoa stickers back on when we're finished. This customer loves that. Look at these wheels. Video 2, Andrew, Dr. Detail. I am the king of bling. There's a lot of imitators out there and wish they were me. I am the guy. I am the guy by the airport, Toronto Airport, by the Toronto Airport. DrDetail, Inc.com.